2-hour finale of Sarah Palin's January 9th at 8 on TLC.
Minnesota player Eric Schriefer was just trying to earn enough money to see his family back in Arizona. Now he's missing. His family has little hope of ever seeing him alive again. According to eyewitnesses, biker Joe Whitman violently attacked Eric Schriefer at a party for reasons unknown. He dragged him outside where he ran over Eric to finish the job. He then threw Eric into his truck and sped off. Now, the only witnesses have fled town, too scared to testify against Whitman. And so far, his truck is also keeping secrets. Forensics cannot find a single trace of evidence anywhere. Then police get the break. They hear that Wayman is an avid ice fisherman, and he recently made a trip to his favorite fishing hole, called the Hangar.
We knew that he had access to ice holes all over the world. This is a possibility.
But after hours of fishing the frigid waters, the dive team comes up empty-handed. Frustrated and desperate, investigators return to their best lead, the suspect's red pickup truck. A previous search of the truck found no evidence. Investigator John Byer believes he knows why.
Our suspicion was that he had gone to probably one of the car washes and ran the car through a wash a couple times, or even took a spray, a power sprayer in the car wash, and sprayed off the vehicle, sprayed out the back box area.
Crime scene investigators face their most challenging task ever, to find trace evidence on a truck that's been power washed.
We're going to go as far as we need to. If we had to tear anything apart, we're going to do that in hopes of finding some evidence. We have extra lights out there, and we're looking at every bit of that truck from every different angle.
After 2 days of relentless searching, the team comes up with nothing.
In fact, even though he had done a very good job of properly washing the truck, there just had to be some trace evidence.
Then, on the 3rd day, Dan Fogarty sees something he can't explain. The faintest impression on the front tie rod that is thick with grease.
But not only did it be almost impossible for that impression to just show up there.
Could this imprint pattern have been caused by the victim's clothing as he was run over?
We found the cross impression, I believe, on the passenger side tie rod. The tie rod was kind of grease covered with years of grease on it, so that when the fabricator actually left the impression of the hardened grease.
Forensic investigators have just made their biggest breakthrough yet. Unfortunately, both the shirt and the victim are still missing, so it will be impossible to match the imprints. To tie the victim, Eric Schriefer, to this truck, they'll need biological evidence.